Thank you, everybody. I've been so pleased to be here for a variety of reasons, not the least of which is to hear from all the dedicated public servants in the room. I, too, am a public servant. I'm a housing court judge here in Manhattan. I am running for civil court, and I'm here to introduce myself to you, to tell you a little bit about myself, and ask for your support. I've been a housing court judge for 4 years. I've sat in Manhattan, where I currently sit in the New York City Housing Authority part. I was in the Bronx for 3 years, and when I was first appointed, I sat in Brooklyn. That allows me to consider most of New York my neighbors, because I've met people at their most vulnerable. I dare say if anybody's in court, whether you have the strongest case in the courtroom, you are still scared. It is very serious to be in court with your house, your home on the line. It is very serious to be in court with your livelihood at stake. So, I'm here to say that through my work as a housing court judge, my 7 years as an attorney with the civil court in the courtroom, and getting attorneys to represent people who did not have lawyers, my work as a union attorney with Teamsters Local 237, my work as a staff attorney with the AIDS Center of Queens, the first part of my career as a social worker in foster care, Edward Gould Services for Children, as a juvenile counselor in Spofford Juvenile Detention Center, I have been blessed to meet many of New York at their most vulnerable and at their most redeeming and rewarded. And I think that that experience, my life, has led me to want to serve in the civil court. I am a Harlem resident, lifelong. Well, for a period of time, I lived here in Washington Heights while I was in law school. And I'm the youngest of 8 children. And I've been very blessed through my father's business on 125th Street for all of my life until he passed away to meet so many people. And that is such a blessing when you have to sit and be a judge, because you know the things that make people tick. You care about the people who you consider your neighbors, and I just think it makes me uniquely suited, if you also think so, to serve as civil court judge. So I'm happy to be here, and I thank you for allowing me to talk to you.